This is exactly how you can find unlimited email addresses, phone numbers, and social media profiles so that you can reach out to them and sell whatever you want to sell them from a business directory known as BBB, Better Business Bureau. It's basically a website where a lot of different businesses they list themselves so that people can find them, and that obviously means we can scrape this data and we can find the verified email addresses, phone numbers so that we can reach out to them. Win-win situation. Anyways, it's pretty simple and straightforward. You can like, by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to the pinned comment and you can like just find the link to the post so that you can find all the links which I needed. Just go to the BBB website, Better Business Bureau, and over here just enter the type of business you want to reach out to. Let's say you want to reach out to like, let's say, real estate people, or like, let's say, dentist, like real estate, let's say. And over here just enter the city or the locality you want to scrape from. Just enter that, and after that click on the search button. Again, pretty simple. Open the website, enter the type of business you want to scrape and the locality you're trying to target right now. And over here you can see a lot of different like realtors in the exact freaking city over here. So like 1500 results in just this city. After that you can like apply more filters, like what category do they belong to, like state, province, like yeah, you can do that. But yeah, I actually won't do that because like yeah, I don't need those additional filters. If you want to, you can do it. After that you're going to be downloading this free Chrome extension which is known as Instant Data Scraper. Yeah, just simply add it to Chrome. I just like remove it and show you what it looks like. Click on the add to Chrome button over here, click on add extension, and boom, now it has been added. After that you simply open up Better Business Bureau and open up the Chrome extension. Just open it up, let it load. Now we can basically like scrape all the data. Over here we have like a lot of different fields and everything, but we just need like the name of the company and the phone number, because what am I going to do with like the BBB URL? So I'm just going to remove all the columns except like the name of the company and then the phone number. So yeah, this is the phone number, so I'll leave this column. You can leave the address if that's relevant to you, not really for me. And yeah, after that I'll simply click on the locate next button and just scroll down and down and down till I find like the button which I need to press if I want to go to the next entry. So I'll just click on the next button over here, and after that where it says like minimum delay, I'll just put it to like 5 seconds. You can add more, less, whatever, and click on like the start crawling button over here. So yeah, it's automatically going to go through all the different pages and it's going to like scrape them. So yeah, it might take some while because like obviously there are 1500 results and you can see my hands over here, like I'm not actually doing it. So yeah, I'll just let it run for a couple of seconds. We've collected around like 45 rows around approximately. So yeah, it stopped, but yeah, like it went to the next page and the next page did not load fast enough, so that's why you saw the error, like this error, table not change. And if you get this error, all you need to do is just add the delay so that like you actually give the like the website time to load. So yeah, I'll again just click, I'll like add like more delay and click on the start crawling button, and obviously it's gonna again start crawling and everything. Boom. So actually I'll just pause the video and like resume it once we get a couple of entries. Yep, so I just like stopped it midway so that like I did not basically want like a lot of data, so that I just wanted to demonstrate how you can do it. So I just scraped like around 45 rows or something, and yeah, after that I'll again just delete all the additional columns. Some way they ended up back on my table. So I'll just leave like the name of the company and their telephone number. But yeah, I just did like the entire process for a small data set, and you can literally repeat it for thousands and thousands of entries, and the process remains exactly the same for every single niche, every single type of business you're trying to scrape. Yeah, after that I'll just simply like copy it and open it up in Google Sheets so I can show you what it actually looks like the data once it's ready. And yep, so over here you have the phone number, and over here you have like the name of the company. And what you can do is like you can now go and start reaching out to them. I'll highly suggest you to verify the phone numbers, because a lot of the times these might be like the phone numbers of like a receptionist or someone, or maybe they're like a landline number and they're not actually like a fixed line number. So first thing is, if you're going to be sending like SMS to these people, you're going to be using SMS for outreach. Use Clear Out Phone. It's like the most popular and the like the validation service people use the most often, and I think you get like 100 free credits. So you can do that if you want to. And after that, if you're going to be sending it to them via WhatsApp, like the like you're going to be reaching out to them via WhatsApp, you can use this extension. It's absolutely free of course. Yeah, this is basically the one I use. After that, obviously, if you want to see better results from your cold outreach campaigns, you need to find high quality data. Because if you like reach out to these numbers, the chances of you getting like really good results, it's not a lot. Because I mean, like if it were to give you like really good freaking data, then everyone who's like basically everyone is going to be reaching out to them. So that's why it's not going to work. And a lot of the times it's not even actually like the phone number of the owners. So if you want to do like multi-channel outreach, you want to send them cold DMs as well, you want to send them emails as well, you want to find their phone numbers, everything, and you just want access to higher quality, better data, this is exactly what you need to do. Leadweb is a software which I built, which has absolutely like it's literally the freaking best. Because I tried all the softwares, I know what's exactly wrong with all of them, and I just wanted to build a solution which worked for me. And like yeah, that's the byproduct. So I built the software known as Leadweb, which gives you unlimited freaking credits, unlimited email, phone numbers, social media URLs, and everything. And yeah, that's exactly what we're going to be using because we have an internal database of 1 billion leads as well. First thing, you simply need to go to Leadweb, create like a free account if you don't have it already. And over here, we have this feature known as company to domain, where we can paste the name of all these different companies and we can simply like copy them, paste them, and that will allow us to find like the website of these companies. So for example, like let's say I wanted to find the domain of like I know like let's say Google is the name of the company. If I click on convert to domains over here, it's going to tell me okay, google.com is the website, like the domain of Google. So that's how it works. So I'll simply paste a list of all the different company names at once. You can do 1000 companies, but yeah, obviously we give you unlimited credits. So if you have more than like 1000 companies, do it in like batches of 1000 results. And I'll just simply let it load. I'll just simply like let it process it, and yeah, we can like expect some domains. After that, I'll like keep everything ready so that the moment the results come, I can actually yeah, we have gotten the results. I click on the download CSV, open it up in Google Sheets over here, and now we can use the domains to actually enrich the data and scrape their websites as well for valuable information. So yeah, that's exactly what we'll do. I'll copy like all the websites which we were able to find. So over here, I got a couple of them. I'll copy them, and yeah, after that, inside of Leadweb, there's this feature known as lead enrichment, and over here, I can paste like the list of all the different websites, and over here, we have like the filter option, and you can add some filters. If you only want like the email addresses and phone numbers of like the founders, you can enter the keyword founder, and now only the founders are going to be shown to you. After that, how many employees you want per company, you can like tick this. If you only want employees who have like a like the email address is present in a database. If you only want people whose phone number we have access to, we know okay, this is the phone number of this person, you can select this. If you want to, I just want like emails over here, yeah, I can click on the enrich domains button, and yeah, it's just going to take some time, and then we can expect the final results. One more thing we can do in the meantime is like another feature. Let's say you belong in a niche where people include like their own phone numbers or their own email addresses on their websites, or you simply want to do like cold DMs, you want to reach out to people who you plan, like all these businesses that are listed here, you plan on reaching out to them via Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, like all these different platforms as well. You want to do like social media cold DM outreach to them. This is another thing we can do. We can come here, we like I'm just going to do it whilst the data is loading over here, and yeah, it actually freaking loaded. So yeah, you can see the data. You have like the email, first name, like phone number, everything, and I'll just open it up in Google Sheets to show you again what the data freaking looks like. Upload the file which we just downloaded right now. Boom. Now we have like the first name, we have like the last name, we have like the title, like the job title and everything. We have the email address, we have the personal email, like Gmail type of emails as well. We have the phone number, we have the location, like LinkedIn ID, LinkedIn URL, everything. So you can go ahead and use this data however you want to use it, and that's the process. After that, again, I was speaking about the website extraction. I can paste the list of the websites, paste it over here, and extract it so that I can find like all the different email addresses, phone numbers if they're listed over there. And yeah, it's going to be great if like people are like one-man bands or something. It's like a smaller company, less than 10 employees. So usually the owners will put their own phone number. But let's say hypothetically it was not actually like a company that, yeah, let's say hypothetically it was not in your industry you were targeting bigger companies like real estate companies who have like 20, 50 employees, and they won't actually put the phone number like the owner, then you can simply use this to find like the social media URLs, like the social media profiles of these people. And I'll just show you what I mean. Boom. Open Google Sheets. Like, I'll just open it up again. Upload. Boom. Let it be uploaded. Yep. Over here, obviously, like I entered like 5 or 10 different websites, so we don't have a lot of data. You can do it for like thousands of entries at once. Yeah. After that, you have like the description of the company, you have the title of the website, you have like the Twitter profile. So yeah, you can do like Twitter outreach if you want to do. Let's say you want to send them like a DM on Facebook, you can do that. You can send them like a connection request. You can send them like a that thing. And actually, I'm suspended on Facebook, so I actually cannot open it. You can find like the YouTube channels if you want to find it. You can find like the Instagram URLs, so you can reach out to them on Instagram if you want to like send them like a cold DM or something. So yeah, you can absolutely do that as well. Basically, you get the social media profiles, you get the LinkedIn profiles, everything, and the company email which is present over here. You get like the phone number and personal emails if that's present. And yeah, that's basically like data you can use to like do multi-channel outreach, or if the people they actually include their own phone numbers or like their own email addresses, you can do that as well. And yeah, that's basically how you get access to higher quality data from Better Business Bureau. And you actually take it a step further from just scraping the data which everyone is scraping, because if you do what everyone else is doing, you probably will end up getting not really great results. Yeah, that's just the harsh reality. I hope this helped. If you have any questions related to this, just drop it in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Bye bye, man.